Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing wonder. I am Rashmi, again welcoming you on my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi, where we are continuing with the continued fraction topic. So, as we have seen the shortcut method as well, how do we simplify any of the continued fraction? One of the part was remaining in that what needs to be done in case when the numerator also changes, other than 1 if we get something. Like 1 is there, plus is there, minus is there, other than 1 is there, that we have everything we have seen. But in case of numerator, if other than 1 comes, what needs to be done, that we'll be looking in today's session. And along with that, we'll be looking to the shortcut method. How can we simply convert any given fraction into the continued fraction format? Okay, so without wasting much of the time, let's get start with the topic today. But before that, I just want to request you, please do like my video because I know that you are getting the benefit of all these videos. So please do like it, share it to your friends, family and relative, and do not forget to press the bell icon button. You have to of course subscribe my channel. So let's look to the first example. Find the value of 2 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 1 plus 4 upon 5. So you can see here, ये हमने check कर लिया था. In cases में क्या करना है? Only this we have to learn in today's session. What we'll be doing in case when other than 1 comes at such places. Okay. So the way of simplifying this problem is exactly same as the same which we did before. 4 upon 5 I will be writing here. Then this is 1 plus. So 1 plus. This is 5 plus. I'll be writing 5 plus. This is 2 plus. I'll be writing 2 plus. Then the next denominator, not denominator, it's numerator. Numerator 3 and the denominator is 1 plus 4 upon 5. So this 3 I will be writing in the denominator of whatever I am going to get at this place. जो भी मुझे यहाँ simplify like 5 ones are 5 plus 4 9. So 9 के denominator में 3 मेरे पास already है. फिर मैं उसको simplify करूँगी first and then I will proceed further with the next step. Okay. So ये इनका रोल करना क्या है हमको? We simply have to keep on writing these numbers. 3 will come into the denominator at the first place क्योंकि सबसे पहले simplify करके हम 3 से ही मिलेंगे. 3 and the denominator will be a fraction which we will be simplifying from here. So 3 will be into the denominator and 2 will be into the denominator. And then we don't have anything here. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, so nothing we will be writing. Okay, so this way we will be simplifying it. After simplifying this much, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 gives me 9. 9 and 3 will get cancelled out and the new number which we will be getting here, that is 3. The new number is 3. Now 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. Furthermore, we will be dividing this and 20 divided by 2 gives me 10. Now 10 twos are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Right? 23 I am getting. 20 plus 3. 23. 23 will be the numerator and the previous number will be the denominator. So 23 upon 10 is the answer for this problem which we got so quickly. Look how you have to do if you are very much habitual with this. If you have practiced enough, you can do it very quickly. 2 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 1 plus 4 upon 5. You will be simply writing 4, 5, 1, 5, 2, then 3 here and 2 here. So 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 is 9, which gives me 3 here. 3 5s are 15 plus 5, 20. This gives me 10. 10 twos are 20 plus 3, 23. So 23 upon 10 is the answer for this problem. So quickly you can do this, right? Let's move to the another example in which again we have something else other than 1 we have here into the numerator. So 7 upon 8, I will be writing this 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus. If you don't want, you can stop writing this positive operation or addition operation because it's not needed. Everywhere same sign we have. Then 3 and 9, so I will be writing 3 into the denominator and even 9 also. But of which number? That we will be getting. So 8 ones are 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 divided by 3 gives me 5 here. After getting 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 8, 18. This gives me 2 here after doing the cut short. Now 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So 11 upon 2 will be the answer for this problem. Even if you do it with the longer method, look, 1 plus 7 upon 8 gives you 15 upon 8. This will become 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 upon 15 upon 8, like this. So 3 ones are 3 fives are. That is why we are doing the division by. So 5 2s are 10 plus 8, 18 upon 5, which will be into the denominator of 9. So 3 plus 9 upon 18 upon 5. So 9 2s are 18, which gives me 3 2s are 6 plus 5, 11 upon 2, which is the final answer. So by the longer method also we have seen, by the shortcut method, the arrangement also we have seen, that exact same answer we are getting. So isn't it interesting method? Of course it is interesting, only you have to keep on practicing. Let's move to the next example in which we have to again simplify the continued fraction, but this time it is coming into the denominator of 1. So पहले हम 1 के अपॉन में जो continued fraction आ रहा है उसको simplify करेंगे, and then we will be writing it into the denominator of 1, and then of course reciprocal we will be taking. Okay, so 1 plus 2 upon 1 plus 3 upon 1 plus 4 upon 5, we will be writing this 4 upon 5. Then 1 1 1, no need to mention 1 1 1 plus 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 also, because 5 ones are multiplication by 1 is meaningless. We'll be getting number itself, right? So 5 plus 4, 9. Denominator is 3 and 2. So 3, then 2. 5 plus 4, 9. This gives me 3 here. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 divided by 2 gives me 4 here. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7. 7 upon 4 will be getting, after simplifying this, 7 upon 4. So 1 upon 7 upon 4 will make it 4 upon 7, which is the final answer. So it's so interesting. It's so time savior. 4 upon 7 is the final answer. From here we'll be getting 7 upon 4, but this is not the final answer. This needs to be returned into the denominator of 1. हमने ये सिर्फ box को simplify किया है. So 1 के upon में 7 upon 4 makes it 4 upon 7. Okay. Next example in which we have to convert a given fraction, we have to write it into the form of continued fraction. And we know the shortcut method. So find the value of a plus b plus c for 9 upon 26 is equals to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. In one of the session before, one of the video, I have shown you the longer method कि हम कैसे करते हैं. पहले 9 upon 26 को मैं ऐसे लिखूंगी 1 upon 9 upon 26 upon 9, and then 26 को 9 से divide करेंगे, and then we will be doing it. This time I don't want to show any other longer method. I just want to show you the shortcut method, which is you simply have to divide the big number by the small one. That's it. Okay. So big number is 26 divided by 9 will give you the value for ABC. So first of all, 26 is not coming into the table of 9. So smaller than 26, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. 27 can't be taken here. So we'll take 2 times 18, right? So this gives remainder 8. Now we have to do exactly the same way as we do to find out the HCF. Now this 8 will become the new divisor, and the previous divisor will become the dividend. We will be dividing this 9 by 8. So 8 ones are 8, the remainder is 1. By 1 we will be dividing this 8, and in the table of E1, each number comes the same number of times. So 8 comes 8 times in the table of 1, which gives the remainder 0. So these quotients are nothing but the value of these terms which are written here. अगर a लिखा है तो ये a की value हो जाएगी. 7a लिखा है, so 7a value will be equivalent to the quotient 2. If it is 3a, so 3a is equivalent to 2. And they are asking us to get the value of a, not along with a whatever the number we have. So here we don't have any other number along with a. So this is value for a, this is value for b, and this is value for c. We only have the variables a, b, c. We don't have we don't have any number with it. Okay, so a value is 2, b value is 1, c value is 8. We have to get the sum of a, b, c. So a plus b plus c, 2 plus 1 plus 8. 2 plus 1 plus 8, which is 11. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, so 11 is the final answer for this problem. What is the answer? 11. Let's move to the next example. We have to find the value of a minus b plus c where we have to divide this 13 by 29 and we have to write it into this format 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. So again we will be dividing the big number by the smaller one, that's it. So let's divide this 29 by 13. While doing the division, the quotient will be equivalent to a, b, c. Whatever is there, the numerical variable part. So 13 twos are 26. When we take the difference here, this gives me remainder 3. Now 3 will be the new divisor and 13 will be the dividend. So 3 fours are 12 because it is smaller than 13. 1 is the remainder. Now 3 will be divided by 1, which is 3 times only, and 0 is the remainder. So value for A is 2, value for B is 4, and value for C is 3. So A minus B plus C, that means 2 minus 4 plus 3. So we'll add on the same sign, right? 2 is also positive, 3 is also positive, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So the final answer here we have 1 for this example, in which we had to first convert this 13 upon 29, we have to write it into the form of mixed discontinued fraction. This can be written as 1 upon a value is 2 plus 1 upon b value is 4 plus 1 upon c value is 3. When you simplify this, you will be again getting back to the same fraction 13 upon 29. Okay, you can cross check also. Look, 1 upon 3, then 4, 2. So 1, 3, 3 fours are 12 plus 1, 13, 13 twos are 26 plus 3, 29. So 1 upon 29 upon 13 will become 13 upon 29. This is 29 upon 13, but this is into the denominator of 1. So at the end, it will become 13 upon 29. Okay. So answer is 1. This is the answer. But for that, we need to get the value for ABC, for which we did this. Okay. Let's move to the next example, in which we have to convert this 30 upon 43. We have to divide this big number 30. Sorry, we have to divide this big number 43 by 30. And while doing this division, we will be getting the value for A, B, C, D. Not A, B, C, D. This is value for A, and the quotient will be equivalent to 2B. Third quotient will be equivalent to 3C, and the fourth quotient will be D. So let's quickly divide this 43 by 30. In the table of 30, we will be getting 30 only, which is smaller than 43. 13 is the remainder. And 30 will become the new dividend. Now 13 twos are 26. Right? Remainder is 4. Dividing 13 by 4, 4 threes are 12. 13 minus 12 gives remainder 1. Dividing this 4 by 1 4 times, which gives me remainder 0. So this is equivalent to A. This is equivalent to 2B. This is equivalent to 3C. And this is equivalence to D. So from here we got the value for A. From here we got the value for B, which is 1. 2B is equals to 2. That means value for B is 1. 3C equals to 3. That means value for C is 1. We got the value for A, B, C and D value is 4. After getting all the value, we have to substitute here in A plus B plus C plus D. So let's write it 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4, which is 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. So this way we got the value for this A plus B plus C plus D, which is equivalent to 30 upon 43 when we converted it into the continued fraction. Okay. Let's move to the next example, in which we have to divide this 17 by 60, and after dividing we have to get the value for A, B, C, D, and we have to write it in this A multiply B multiply C multiply D. So let's quickly divide this 60 big number by 17 small number. Okay. So 17 threes are 51, which is smaller than 60. Remainder is 9. In the table of 9, do we get 17? Of course not. Smaller than 17, we have 9 only one time. Right? Because 9 twos are 18, which is greater than 17. So remainder is 8. Now we will be dividing by this 8 to this 9. 8 ones are 8 and remainder is 1. By 1 we will be dividing 8 times, which gives remainder 0. So value for A is 3, value for B is 1, value for C is 1 and value for D is 8. Let's substitute the value. In this, A multiply B multiply C multiply D. So 3 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 8, which is 24. 8 1 1 1 gives me 8 only. 8 threes are 24. So 24 will be the answer for this example. I hope it's easy to convert any of the given fraction into the continued fraction. If they do not ask us to get the value of ABCD, हमको ABCD calculate नहीं करना है, only we have to write this 17 upon 60 into this continued fraction. So we'll write it as 1 upon A value is 3 plus 1 upon B value is 1 plus 1 upon C value is 1 and 1 upon 8. Like this, it will be done. Okay, so it's so interesting. You just have to give it a try. Please do try with this shortcut way so that you can save your a lot of time when you are appearing for any competitive exam. So please practice with all these type of example. Do look for many more examples in your textbook, reference book, your practice book, and give it a try with this method. You will definitely love it. You will definitely like it because it's time savior. Okay. So we'll meet definitely in the next session. Until we do not meet, you have to keep on liking my video, do share it to your friends, family and relative and keep on practicing. Take care of yourself. Bye everyone.